customize the email template that goes out with all your notifications. If you go to settings, advanced and new. Now this is one of the features of the new notification system that gives you complete control of your colours things, so you can brand it up according to brand colours. In this section you've got the header text. This has got a variable in there saying subject. That means it is drawing whatever the subject is for each notification. So I'd probably leave that in. It does say here you can bind with company name to make sure you've got the company name. However, the defaults all have company name in, so you probably don't need to change that. Over here in the footer text there is thank you for your business. You can change that if you want. And then there is information about attachment and a link. However, that is going to come up in the next video as it's worthy of its own video. So this is really just to show you this section over here. Now you can turn your company logo on and off. I'd imagine most people would want to keep their company logo on. If we scroll here, this gives you a live preview of what your emails look like. Now, the colouring is all very neutral. You can update all the different sections of it, and you can update different text colours, etc. So if I first of all just show you a couple of different ways that you can change the colours. So one of them is you can click on it and you get your colour picker here. So you can go around to the different sections and until you find the colour you want. If you want a more exact colour, you can change the hex code over here. Now it is quite easy to find your hex codes. If you Google hex code colour picker, and then you can pick the colours off your logo, or alternatively if you use something like Canva and you've got your logo in there, you can look at their colour picker and that would give you the hex code too. So there's two different options for you to be able to pick your colours. And you can see here where I've picked different colours, how it changes it in the preview. So, I've obviously used pretty loud colours here just for the example, but you can customise it to how you like, including the background and text colours, etc. So hopefully it'll give you a bit of fun to make your templates look really, really nice.